out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You found out the highway.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. Today I am doing what I have been doing for the last couple of months, is shop my stash. And for the month of May, it's predominantly luxury indie brands. So if you would like to see how I accomplished this look, then please stay tuned. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you do this type of makeup rotation. And without further ado, let's get started. So as I begin, I did my brows. I need to clean them up. But for the month of May, I will be using the Lip Bar Exact Arch Micro Brow Pencil in black brown. So this is what it looks like. Actually, I need to put lotion on my hands. Be right back. So a lot of these products you probably seen in my previous video doing a full glam look using predominantly luxury brands. So I've decided for the month of May that I will be using majority of those products, and I've added some more products that I'll be using that wasn't in that video. But like I said, I need to clean up my brows. So as usual, I always use the Morphe concealer.
Like it ain't shit, loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Hope could be lit. Running my money up, running. Watch it up in the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time.
Okay, so brows are done. I'm gonna clean them up a little bit more later on in the video. But moving on to primer. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Brightening Youth Glow Primer. So just use this real quick. And I put the primer on because I want it to settle in my skin while I do my eye look. Not sure what I'm going to do. Pretty much that's how it always is. I just go with the flow. But since I'm filming this during the daytime, I really don't want to do too much on my eyes. So as the primer for my eyes, I'm going to use the P. Louise base Rumor 2. And I am one of those who have to set their eyelids because my eyelids get oily. So I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just set my eyelids real quick. Moving on to eyes, I am using the Jaclyn Hill palette Morphe. This is the volume 1 or the original palette. There's a volume 2, but this is what the palette looks like. I felt like I needed to put more use to this because I have a lot of palettes in my collection that I really don't pull out. I kind of stick to the same ones over and over. So in order to get rid of or make use of what I have, I feel like doing the shop my stash is the way to go. So how often do you change up your makeup? Do you have an extensive makeup collection? Mine isn't as huge as some people's, but I feel like it's enough. You know what I'm saying? Like I really could use nothing at this point. As far as new makeup, there are some things I do want to try, but I really don't need anything. I pretty much have a collection of multiple things when it comes to the different categories. Like foundations, I have at least 10 different foundations to use. Concealers, maybe 5 or 6. But I really have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, so that's why I really don't really look into purchasing new releases for eyeshadows, because number one, I'm really not good at it, and number two, I need to use what I have, you know, so I won't waste my coins.
Should know you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should know you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should know you was fucking with a fine ass chick, down a ride ass chick. Always on your side like that clip on your hip. If you was blind, I would be your vision. Cause you found out the highway, then I'm still the shit. Found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. Yeah. You found out the highway.
Okay, so I'm going to come back to my eyes. Now we're going to move on to foundations. I am combining these two, the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Flawless and 10 Neutral, and the Tinted Idol foundation from Lancome. This is in 420 Neutral. So this one is supposed to be neutral, but it doesn't really look it. And then this one is definitely neutral. So blending those together, in my opinion, makes my perfect match. So just 2 little pumps of the Charlotte Tilbury will work. And then Lancome, which I need to clean off. So these are not full pumps, they're just little squirts, you know. So I don't, you know, so no worries, be like, oh, that's too much, that's too much. Actually, it is a-okay. I'm also going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, so the foundation will blend a little bit better.
I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours.
So I could go in with another layer right up in here, but I feel like it's covering my dark spots good enough. I don't want to have too much foundation on because it is like 80 some degrees out here in Houston, and the humidity will have me sweating, and I don't want to go through that. So I'm gonna move on to concealer. 2 concealers I'm using this month as well. I'm trying to use up my Tarte Shape Tape before it expires, because it's due to expire soon. And then the Lancome Tinted Idol. This one is in 410, which is like one shade lighter than my foundation, but I actually need to go up another shade because, as you can see, this here is like my skin tone, and it's a little too golden to me. For me, it's a little too yellow, so I'm gonna use it up because I spent my coins on it. So that's why I mix it with a different concealer. So here comes Shape Tape. It's gonna give me the brightness that I need and the full coverage. And I really don't want to use too much, but I kind of felt like I already did, but oh well. So do you do this, like change out your makeup every month or like quarterly? What do you do, or steps do you take in order to make sure that you use up all of your makeup? What type of rotation do you have going on? Or you just, you know, however it goes. If you just choose to just pick something the day of. I feel like me doing the Shop My Stash and making these products like my everyday makeup is really helping me see what I do have and that what I've been neglecting. So that's another good reason for me doing these type of videos. And plus they're fun to really just like go shopping through your makeup collection. I can go through my Alex 9 drawers and just be like, oh, I got this. Oh, I got that. I forgot I had this. Oh, well, let me try this out. Oh, you know, if you get what I'm saying? It just helps me just to see what I've been neglecting pretty much. So concealer is on. Next, we're going to move on to setting the under eye real quick. And then I'm going to set my entire face using the Dior Professional Performance Translucent Powder. I really like this. And if I didn't say before, I'm setting my eyes with the Laura Mercier. This is the honey and the regular mixed together.
But I'm riding in a Beamer, yeah, ain't no two-seater. More room to kick my feet up. Feeling like a boss ass bitch these days. Life is more than just getting paid. Yeah, you could bet your chips. Open waste and lose it all so quick these days. Yeah, this the gift mama gave me. Yeah, this the way that he raised me. And when I get stressed, I just remember I'm blessed. Ain't no complaining, I ain't changing. I ain't really got no blame. I don't wear no chain. You know you see me.
Now it's time to bronze for the month of May. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in Tan. So definitely want to put this one to use because it was not cheap. I just want a light glow or a light bronze effect. I don't want it to just be you know, heavy on my face because again, this is a daytime look. So now for blush, I'm using the Sephora Trio Face Palette in Dare, and I'm going to use this shade, this one right here. It's like a coral color, and it has little golden reflex in it, and it's really pigmented, so gotta be careful.
Remember when you saw me in the club, didn't show me any love?
Now before I put highlighter on, I'm going to spray my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus because it's looking a little dry. Now let's go back into the palette to finish my under eye real quick.
Don't fuck with lames, swear to God. And before you blew me off, then I glued up into.
For highlighter, I'm using the Flash highlighter palette from Jaclyn Hill. This was a holiday limited edition, and this is what shades look like. So pretty. I don't want a real strong highlight. I just want a little glow.
I guess you found out the highway, yeah. Found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. Found out the highway.
So before I put on my lashes and eyeliner, mascara, I'm gonna set my face for the final time, and that is using the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. As you can see, I'm halfway finished with it, so I'm definitely going to try to use it up for the month of May. For eyeliner, I will be using the Tattoo Liner from KVD Beauty. I really like this brown eyeliner. At first I didn't, but it dries down matte, and it comes on as a light brown, but once it dries down, it's the perfect brown. I struggle with eyeliner, so please be patient with me. I mean, like, my eyes blink so much. It's just, I try to keep a steady hand, but you know. Mascara is the Charlotte Tilbury Black Vinyl. This is what it looks like. The wand is huge for my little bitty itty bitty lashes, but I'm gonna do my best. Guess who's not gonna attempt to put them down below? Me. I will have mascara all under my eyes and ruin my complete makeup look. And I would be pissed off if that happened. Teed off. So this is the final look for my Shop My Stash, the month of May, predominantly using luxury brand products, but there's a mix of indie affordable brands as well. But like I said, I enjoy doing these type of videos and shopping my makeup collection because it allows me to see what I have, what I've been neglecting, and to use up the products that I already have before spending my coins to buy, you know, new makeup when I already have a plethora of makeup here already. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and your notification bell is turned on so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And also, if you do this type of Shop My Stash, let me know, leave a comment down below. And as always, thank you for watching.